Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to remove AliExpress toolbar from the top of your screen. So from the top of your screen, if you just scroll down, and here you can see by creating an account, AliExpress has added a toolbar in your notification section. So if you want to remove this from here, then what you can do is just simply open up your AliExpress application, and after opening it, now what you can do is just simply skip this ad, and now you have to tap on my Alibaba, which is on the bottom right, and then head over to your account. From here what you can do is just tap on the gear icon, which is on the top right, and after tapping on your gear icon, now you have to tap on notifications and make sure that you turn off the notification which is add to notification toolbar. So what you can do is just simply turn it off, and after turning it off, it will be removed from your messages or from notifications. So now if you'll just come back and then check if it's there, then you can see it's not there. So that's it guys, this is how to remove AliExpress from the top of AliExpress toolbar from the top of your screen. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.